I'm Kyla. I'm with Spencer Trailers, and we are a new dealer for Polar King. We have been really impressed with the units, and our customers have really enjoyed purchasing the units. They feature a lot of great benefits that we found useful in our community, especially with processing food, transporting goods, even natural disasters. That's been a big benefit. When the power goes out, they need a source to haul their goods, so that has been very useful for our customers. I mean, the design of it's very appealing to the eye. Once you walk into it, everything is seamless, so it's very easy to clean. And just, I mean, the unit itself, I mean, it works very well with people getting in and out, closing the door, opening the door. It really keeps that, temperature at the right spot for a lot of people. We're really the only dealer that sells one in our area. So for us, it's been huge because they hear about Polar King or they see it and then they call us and we have a unit available or we can get a unit for them. So we have a few on our lot and we display them. A lot of people may not see what a Polar King is, but we can open it up and show them inside. We really like the side door option, so people can use that. Also having like the divider inside where you can use some of it as a freezer, some as a refrigerator, and even like the ramp has been a big success for people. So that's exciting to see. And it's been great just seeing all the different varieties of parts to, styles of trailers, different equipment. So for me, it's been a very good time just to be around the industry and really see what's working, how we can improve as a dealership, and also different partnerships that we can benefit from.